And that is where we begin this evening at 4:30. A backer of Georgia's abortion law says it should not be guiding the treatment of Adriana Smith.
So she is currently on life support at Emory Hospital. Her family says doctors are trying to keep her alive until the child is born. 11 Alive's Doug Richters has more on what supporters of this law are saying tonight.
Doug, I'm thankful that the hospital recognized the full value of the small human life that's living inside of this tragically dying young mother. Mindful of the agony of this young mother's family.
Ed Setzler is the Georgia lawmaker who introduced the state's heartbeat law in 2019. The measure roiled the Capitol with protests as it restricted abortions to no later than 6 weeks gestation, with the backing of the state's newly elected governor. Now the family of Adriana Smith says Emory University doctors are citing that law as they keep the pregnant mother on life support as a fetus grows inside her.
I'm not saying that we would have chose to terminate her pregnancy. What I'm saying is we should have had a choice. We should have had a choice.
Some backers of Georgia's heartbeat law say that it doesn't specifically address the issues in the Smith case, where nobody's talking about abortion, but rather about whether a pregnant woman who is brain dead should be kept alive.
Understanding our reading of the situation, that this particular circumstance was not intended, nor does it apply with the heartbeat bill.
Mac Parnell was among those at the Capitol lobbying in favor of the heartbeat bill, but in this case he says Emory's decision should not have been based on the restrictive abortion law.
Trying to paint the heartbeat bill as doing something that it doesn't as a disservice to our state, and was not the intention. But we'll just have to we'll leave those decisions to the family, and I'm going to be very empathetic to the family in whatever circumstance that they find themselves in.
Circumstances which the family describes as utter heartache. Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.
We asked Georgia's Attorney General Chris Carr, who is running for governor next year, about the case. His office says their prayers go out to Smith's family. The statement also went on to say, quote, "There is nothing in the Life Act that requires medical professionals to keep a woman on life support after brain death. Removing life support is not an action, quote, with the purpose to terminate a pregnancy."